Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jain Pesto rice using an easy method. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to the final plating. This recipe is perfect for a quick, flavorful meal that adheres to Jain dietary principles, ensuring a delightful and satisfying experience for everyone. Crafting the perfect Jain pesto involves thoughtful ingredient choices. Instead of garlic, we'll use fresh ginger or green chilies to maintain the vibrant flavor profile. Combine these with fresh basil, toasted pine nuts, and nutritional yeast for that cheesy umami. A good quality olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of salt will bring it all together beautifully. First, cook your preferred rice variety until it's perfectly fluffy and separate. While the rice cools slightly, prepare your Jain pesto. Blend all the pesto ingredients in a food processor until smooth. You might need to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to achieve a thick, spreadable consistency that will coat the rice beautifully without making it soggy. Once your rice is cooked and the pesto is ready, it's time to combine them. Gently fold the pesto into the warm rice, ensuring every grain is coated with that vibrant green goodness. Serve immediately as a main course or a flavorful side dish. A sprinkle of fresh basil or a few toasted pine nuts makes a lovely garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.